Pull up to the honey hole with blowing him and throwing in his cushion in his spliff.
Buzzing around. It's a decent, I think it's a decent bass. And he's fighting him. Yeah. He's really buzzing around him.
Yeah.
Not even huge or anything, but nice smallmouth. Oh, that's a nice one here. Nice fat one. That's a nice way to start the day. Was that 10 minutes in, 5 minutes in? Nice fat smallie. Fat belly. Is that my line? It is, right?
Yeah, wrapped around it. Sucker.
Yeah, it is.
He's big.
Yeah, he's a nice one. That one.
Something tried to grab it right
Yeah,
there again.
that's what happened before. He's heavy.
Big.
Big fat sucker, yeah. I'm at this little, there's this little stream here. Caught a couple crayfish, but this is pretty cool. It's all this natural clay. All right here. You could just grab the bottom like this and just pull up a bunch of clay. Pretty cool. Clean little stream. Water's so clear here. That's a nice bass. It's a nice bass.
He's pulling harder now.
Yeah, that's a decent bass. Watch out for that stick, yeah.
I know, I see it. Oh, he's bleeding.
No, he's not. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's nothing. That's just in his mouth, though. He's not like he's...
Oh, no. I don't like that sandpaper. I always hated that. That's so funny.
Yeah. That was happening earlier today, though.
Dude,
The few times, yeah.
I finally got one. Like
Yeah, it's a cool way to get one right one here. Little bass. Mud bass.
Came up that fast.
Yes, you were just around the worm and then you just saw the worm. He's going into him, see if I can horse him through him. Yeah, I got him. Not bad for a first one. If I get a real big one, that puts me through those pads, I might be in trouble. I always want to buzz over to the, I know. Another decent sized one though. Kind of gotta just let him swim out of them. If you ease them through there, they swim out of them. Usually. nicer. It's big. What is that? That might be a carp. Get that net ready. Get this other, maybe get this other pole in too. He's nice. Yeah. I don't know. He feels nice.
Sorry.
That's all right. Get that net ready. Yeah, he's nice. Get it in there. Get it in. All right.
Oh my god! It's in my mouth!
Good net job. He's a nice one. Here, get a picture of this one. This is a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Another solid one. Nice one. They're completely missing the eye. There you go. Shooting right over there. Shit. Still around it. Not even big. Probably the smallest of the day, and he's not even what I would call small. But get it. He looks big. You need that, you feel like? He looked like a big fish. You need that or no?
Kind of big, but it's coming in itself nicely, so.
He's a nice size one though. Don't. Here, sure? Wait, don't. Here, don't let it break.
Wait.
Yeah, you bring him in. You bring him in there. It's a nice one.
Look at his face.
Split head. That's something, I don't know. Hold him. No?
Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god.
Shit. You almost pulled my pole in the water. Camera rolling with one. And this is a nice one though. He's nice. My hand's all gunked up with fish. Get that net? This one's pretty nice. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna try and bring him in here. Okay. Man, doesn't want to come in. He's not even big. He Yeah, he's fat. I mean, he's a nice fish. He's definitely nice. It might be a blue. It might be a blue catfish. I think that's a blue. Little one, dark, little mud cat. There we go. Buzzing around. Look at him, he's like a bullet hole in him. It's like he got shot. Bullet hole. Fat one. Right? He felt bigger than he even was because he's got a fat belly.
Big fish, big reels. Got that fish scale. Big fish, big reels. That's a sharp tail. Big fish.